This is how you make a creamy Tuscan chicken pasta.
This smells so good. Wow.
Oil your split cut chicken breast with the seasoning mix. On medium heat, cook it for about 5 minutes on each side. Take out the chicken. In the same pan, add in butter, shallots, and cook until soft. Add garlic and cook until fragrant.
And if you want more recipes just like this, make sure to check out my website, chilipeppercooks.tv. I got my .tv domain last year to amplify my brand and to make my content more accessible to my viewers, where there's a host of recipes, videos, and you can sign up for a newsletter. If you're a content creator, you should definitely look into getting your own .tv domain to either redirect your social channels or to get your website of your own. Plus, the process is super easy at turnon.tv, where you can search and register a domain name. Check it out now at the link in my bio.
Split cherry and sun-dried tomatoes.
And you know you can't forget about the Thai chili pepper.
Cook until tomatoes are soft and then add in spinach and cook until it's wilted. Then add in heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and cook for about 3 minutes, and then add in your pasta with pasta water and cook for another 3 minutes.